Hey girls and boys, if you're watching this. So today I wanted to do a get ready with me, but I really wanted to do a real get ready with me, and yeah, just like a super chill get ready with me. It is Sunday today. It is 11:24 a.m. So I already cleaned and I like to get that out of the way first. So now I'm going to get ready. So I thought I would show you what I'm going to wear. So I'm still in my PJs. Let's go to my closet and see what I'm going to wear. So I don't have any makeup on, nothing is done, my hair is not done, nothing's done. This is what I look like when I wake up in the morning. I know, scary. So let's go. I'm going to show you what I'm going to wear. It is kind of hot today. It is, let me see, it is, well, it'll be 72 degrees, the highest. So I'll still wear a long sleeve, just not super warm, because then I will get very hot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, because of my room, I'm going to show you what I'm going to choose. So I know the light is like all over the place. That is because my room is just, the lights changing, and I'm not using a ring light or anything. So I'm going to wear this. I don't know if you can see, it's just a green. I don't know why it looks gray on camera. Let me see if I can get it to look like a little bit more of its color, but it's green, not gray. It's very like, it's kind of like a green grayish. So I'm going to wear this, and I'll show you my outfit right now. So I'll get my pants and then show you what I'm gonna wear. Hello. Okay, so let me show you my jeans that I'm going to wear. My closet, I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of like right there. That is a mess right there. We need to be a little bit more organized. I do recognize that. So I'm just going to choose my jeans and my boots, and then I'll show you my outfit. Okay, I'll show you. It is the green shirt, the blue jeans, and then I'm going to Martin shoes. And yes, they are kid size because I have the smallest feet ever. Look at this. I know. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and change, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I was not feeling that shirt, so I changed into this one. So this is what I ended up wearing. So this, I know I have to get up here, with this little crop top, and then some jeans, and this, just like that. And then I'll do my makeup. But yeah, I was not feeling that one. It was too hot, and it was way too hot for me, and it was just, I didn't like it. So we ended up with this flannel, which I think it's super cute, and then I'll show you at the end the whole outfit with my boots and stuff. So now I'm going to put on my shoes and then do my hair, and I'll show you. I'm going to do my hair, and I'm going to be using this bedhead curling iron, and it is 1 inch, and then this, and then the texturizing spray. Before I do that, I do want some coffee, because yeah, that's gonna take a little bit of while. So while that heats, I'm gonna go get some iced coffee. Well, do it myself, and I will take you. This is literally what I do on Sundays and Saturdays. I take my sweet time to get ready, because during the week I don't have much time. So let's go. This almond milk, the that's so good. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to do my hair, because that is honestly what I like to do first. I like to do my hair first. So I'm going to try and do this as soon as I can, and I'm actually going to use this as a mirror. So if it bothers you that I am looking that way, I am sorry. I will speed this up, because I honestly just, whoa, that was like, I honestly do my hair super fast. I split it up like this, and then I just literally just like roll it. Let's role play it. my hair. Now we are going to move on to my beautiful covering that redness, which is totally fine. Let's go. Now I'm going to do, I'm almost done with it. Oh my god, it's so delicious. If you haven't had iced coffee like that, try it. It's bomb. I'm going to do my makeup now. So for that, I am going to, I feel like, I'm sorry if you can see my little mess over here, but that's fine. I'm just being super raw and honest with you guys. Like, this is how I get ready. This is how I get ready all the time. So anyways, so I already applied SPF earlier when I washed my face and stuff. So now I'm literally going to look in my little makeup bag. So I'm going to use this mirror, and then, you know, so we can see each other. How cute is this one? My friend gifted it to me. So the first thing that I like to do is my eyebrows, because you guys, I do the soapy eyebrows. So I'm gonna need a spoolie and this, and I will try to zoom in for you on my eyebrows. I'm gonna get this and spray some water. Sometimes it's not even the soap, it's I'm not liking how it's coming out. Bad example, but I'm gonna try again. Try. So okay, I think I need a new spoolie. This one's really used. Hold on, because I'm not liking my eyebrow, so sometimes you do have to change it. So let me do that again. Okay, oh, that's much better. Okay, yes. Okay, you see how it's like standing up, but I don't like it when it stands up like that. I'm gonna curve it. Much better. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm sorry if the oil diffuser is annoying you, but as you can see, it is right there. And I am diffusing some orange and eucalyptus. I think I had already said that, but we're gonna leave the eyebrows like this and then come back and fix them after I'm done with my face makeup. So
There's nothing in this world that I've ever needed.
cute. It is the Bake My Day by Lesdo Makeup. I love her so much. Like, I remember when I had Facebook, I would watch her Facebook live, and she is so hilarious, so nice. She looks like I've never met her. Hey, if you ever watch this, hi girl, can I be your friend? Okay, anyways. And her family is the cutest little family ever, and yeah, I decided to try this out. Okay, so my video stopped all of a sudden, but yes, I think this looks really cute. I will show you my outfit, but my niece quiere saludar, so hola, ¿te pongo lipstick? Okay, I think este va a estar como a little too pale for you, but let's put some lip liner on you, girl. A ver, no te puedo ver. Oh, okay. Hazle así. Okay, girl, I'll see you. Look at those lips. Okay. Muy chula, mi amor. Okay. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love doing this kind of video. And remember, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It will help me out a lot. I am Nayeli, and I will talk to you on my next video. And remember that if today wasn't a good day, there will always be a better tomorrow. God loves you. I love you. I hope you have a fabulous day, fabulous week. I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.